So in this video, we will add payment gateway at checkout. Like when someone go to my checkout page, he will able to pay online using debit card, UPI, Google Pay, Phone Pay, any type of payment gateway, payment method. To add that payment method in WooCommerce WordPress, what we need to do here, first log into admin dashboard of WordPress. We need to add a payment gateway. You need to go on WooCommerce setting here payment. Now in payment you need to add a payment gateway. What is payment gateway? Payment gateway is a mediator between user and you that provide option like UPI cards, debit cards, any type of payment option that user can use to pay, pay and buy product. It is a mediator between you and user. Now, there are multiple payment gateway. First, we need to create account on payment gateway. Like I will name some payment gateway like Razor Pay, Cash Free, Phone Pay. Here I can see Phone Pay, Razor Pay. You can choose payment gateway as per your need. Like you can use Razor Pay, Phone Pay. Mostly people use it. Now you need to create account on that. After creating account, what you need to do? Go on plugins, click on add new. You need to add plugin for that payment gateway. Like if you are using Razorpay, you need to install Razorpay. If you are using PhonePay, you need to install PhonePay. I will show you. Here you can see Razorpay for WooCommerce. I need to install it. After installing and whichever payment gateway you are using, I have created a specific video per payment gateway. You can watch that. I've added link in description. You can watch that as per your need if you have any confusion. Now, what now in payment option you can see the payment gateway name. After creating account, here you can see Razorpay. Razorpay, click on manage. Here you need to enable this module. What will be the name shown on checkout? You need to set what will be the description. You can change description as per your requirement, like pay with Razorpay, get 5% discount, pay online method, any type of thing. Now important thing is key ID and key secret. I have created a specific video on how to get key ID and key secret. Watch that video. I've added in description. After finalizing everything, you can just enable it and your payment gateway will be ready and you can accept any type of payment. In my checkout, here you can see Razorpay. When I click on it, I can easily able to pay you using my UPI anything. And that's how very easily you can connect any payment method in your WooCommerce website. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and let me know if you have any confusion in any video. I will create a video on that topic. That's all.